The big question, do I have enough money to retire? Will my money last? The question most people ask who are getting closer to retirement or that is already retired. You see videos, is 5 million enough? Is 10 million enough? Is 16 million enough? There isn't one number that works for everybody because the real question isn't simply how much money do I have? The real question is what income must the money provide? And how long is that income going to last? This video is for two people scenarios. One, people that's within 10 years away from retirement. And number two, people that is retiring now or already retired. I am introducing my calculators that's on our website, and you must view a calculator as a blood test. You go for a blood test to reveal what the problem is. And the calculator is the same thing. Calculator reveals the problem. It's not a solution to the problem. The solution is way more complicated. You'll see what I'll get to when I show the calculators. My name is Albert Skierman. I'm with AS Brokers in Gauteng, South Africa, and I work mainly with business owners. In this video, particular business owners that's approaching retirement, busy retiring, or already retired. I believe we often start at the wrong place. We start looking for solutions before we properly measure the problem. Retirement is about income. We respond to the wrong questions. Think about retirement practically. You're still going to have a monthly life to fund. And it starts with food. You need to eat, electricity, rates and taxes, insurance premiums, your vehicle, maintenance, probably payments, vehicles. Nowadays, you don't know if the vehicle is going to last your full retirement. And then healthcare. You know, you need to upgrade your medical aid as you get closer to retirement, not downscale. The reality is people downscale in retirement because they do not have enough money. Your house, your place to live, and then your lifestyle. Lifestyle is a big determination of if you're going to have enough money or not. So start there. What monthly income will you actually need? You need to know what you've got. The retirement capital you've got already accumulated. It starts with provident fund, pension funds, retirement annuities, those saving products that you've had during your lifetime. Preservation funds. Maybe you've resigned your job and you've preserved your funds. Other investments intended for retirement. Make a list. We're going to need a total for our calculator. Put everything together. And now we have a starting point. You're going to add your future contributions if retirement is still a way off, and this time that you still got to retirement. We're going to use the growth rate, and we're going to make assumptions. We're going to project your retirement date, your life expectancy, the inflation, the increase that you're going to receive from your investments every year, because without increases, you won't be able to sustain your medical aid payments. Your rates and taxes is going to go up. Everything goes up. The drawdown rate, that's the actual income you need from your investments. Let's start with the retirement reality calculator, and I'm going to show you how the calculator works. If you open up our website, the link is in the description below, you'll find calculators. If you click on it and you scroll down, you'll see there's a retirement reality check calculator. I'm going to scroll immediately to the calculator. You can read through the page at your own time. My target audience is within 10 years away from retirement. And let's make the person 55 years old, retirement age 65, planning age, and that is your life expectancy. My brother always jokes and he says if he knew that what that date was, it would have made his planning so much easier. We do not know what it is, but if you live a healthy lifestyle, belong to a medical aid, there's a good chance that you'll reach 90. Your current retirement capital. So this is the total of all your investments realized today. Let's use in this example 5 million. Your current monthly savings. How much are you contributing now at the moment? And how much is that contribution increasing every year? What is the growth that you're currently getting on your investments? That is the percentage drawdown rate, what's going to determine your income. In South Africa, if you make a study, the average is sitting at about 6.5%. The investment growth during retirement. So once you're in retirement, your investment is still growing. And that's the percentage that we use in this example. This is the inflation rate or the rate that your income is going to increase. Now, if you press calculate, it says that in 10 years time for this person that's now 55, it's going to have 14,447,000. That will give a starting income of 78,000 if that drawdown rate is 6.5%. If you bring it back in today's money with 6% inflation, that will be worth 43,698 rand in today's money. You can see in 10 years' time, the buying power of the money almost half. This money will last till the age of 89. There's 10 years left, projected value of current capital, and then this paragraph gives you an explanation what everything that you've calculated means. We call this the retirement reality calculator. And this, you can see you can toggle all those switches. And the calculator works for planning only. But what if you're about to retire now or you already retired? You'll see if you make the retirement age the same age as your retirement age, that calculator is not going to work. You need a different calculator. The questions has changed. You're no longer asking what might my capital become. You already have the capital. Now the question is, how long is the money going to last? You need a different calculator. On our website, we call it the Life of Capital Calculator. Again, you've got to go to the calculator page at the top, scroll down, and you'll see the calculator there. It's called the Life of Capital Calculator. I'm immediately going to scroll down to the calculator again. Let's say you are 65 today and you're retiring and you've got 8 million. Let's say you need 35,000 rand after tax. You expected investment return of 10%. Estimated tax on income, 25%. Please don't take that as a given. You must put in your exact tax rate. And then inflation is 7%. I think on the previous one, we worked on 6%. Let's, for this example, just use 6% and then press calculate. According to this calculator, remember on the previous calculator, that person still had 10 years left to go to retirement. This person now has got no time left to save. He's got 8 million. And that 8 million has got to see him through to the age of 90. This money will last 21 years and 5 months. At the age of 86 years and 5 months, this person is going to run out of money. Again, this paragraph here gives you a summary of what you've calculated. Now the big question, what if these numbers do not work? Let's say you've put in the numbers and the numbers is not working. You're not happy with the results. It means your money is not going to last. You haven't got enough money. My first reaction would be, do not panic. It's not time to panic. Don't make drastic decisions. You know, this is the time when people are vulnerable. Drastic times, drastic measures. I don't know exactly how that saying goes. People make drastic decisions, and this is where they make mistakes. This is where you need a financial planner, and that is where financial planning work comes in. Here's just a list of the things that you can possibly do. If you've got time left, you need to save more. If you're still working, you need to work longer. You need to reduce your income in retirement. That's a fact, and that's reality for most people that goes into retirement. Some people have to reduce their income to what SASSA is paying, and if you're prepared to do that and you can live off that, well, good luck to you. I'm not prepared to do it, and I'm not going to stop work until I'm in a position where I've got enough money. But what position are you in? Review your investment strategy. Now, what do we do? In our next videos, we're going to talk about retirement planning for business owners. We will talk about things like, is your business your retirement plan? How much must your business be worth before you can retire? Selling your business to fund retirement? If your business is worth 10 million, can you actually retire? How do you turn a business into retirement income? What happens if your business cannot be sold when you want to retire? This is just some of the projects that I'm working on. If you find these discussions useful, if you find my calculators useful, please subscribe to my channel, follow my series, and send me your retirement questions. If your numbers do not work and you find what I do helpful and you want me to help you find ways to get your numbers to work, you can leave a WhatsApp or contact us by email. So don't begin with what product should I buy. Begin with where am I? Where do I need to be? And what's the difference? And how do you going to fund that difference? Measure first, plan second. I'll see you in one of my next videos. Cheers, bye.